Day 11, asking yourself questions.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 11 of our 30-day meditation challenge on Do You Yoga. Today's meditation will focus again on some of the causes of anxiety. We have a variety of causes and reasons why we move into a very anxious and kind of agitated state. So what I'd like for you to do is to definitely find a comfortable seat using a blanket or a pillow to sit on. Of course, if you need some support for your spine, you can lean up against a wall. Go on and come into a cross-leg position. Place your hands on your knees with the palms facing down. So I want you to feel a sense of grounding and connecting here. Sit up nice and tall. Roll the shoulders back and away from your ears. Make sure your chin is parallel to the floor. Eyes are closed. Start to breathe in and out through your nose. So in this guided meditation today, I'm just going to ask you a few questions. And these questions, of course, will be related to some of your causes and reasons why you become anxious, and also why and what makes you feel calm and steady. All you have to do is simply listen to my voice and follow the breath. Just simply start out with the focus on the breath, moving in and out through your nose. If it feels okay and more natural for you to breathe in through your nose and exhale out of the mouth, feel free to do that as well. Maintain a long spine. Maintain a smooth and calm pace and rhythm for your breath. Throughout different times in our lives, we're confronted with challenges. And these challenges sometimes create a sense of anxiety. I'd like for you to think about one particular challenge that causes anxiety. When you do it, it makes you a little uncomfortable. Now that you see it in your mind, take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale out of your mouth, blow it away. Back to a slow pace of your breath in and out through your nose. Relationships can be difficult and challenging. And sometimes just even hearing or thinking of a particular person, doesn't matter if it's a family member, friend, your love. If there are uncomfortable feelings around conversations that you may have had, and when you see that person's face or their name, it creates anxiety. Take a deep breath into that space and that feeling. Exhale out of your mouth and let that feeling go. Back to an easy breath in and out through your nose. jobs that can be sometimes challenging and difficult. Not all the time, but there are definitely those moments where the confrontation may result out of the level and amount of work that we have, the lack of time that we have to complete those tasks, or even sometimes the relationships on the job. I often find that our jobs, even though we love them, can sometimes cause some anxiety. Whatever you may be feeling around your career or your job, breathe into that space, breathe into that energy, allow it to show up, and exhale out of your mouth. Come back to an easy, slow breath in and out through your nose. Any more challenges or levels of anxiety that may be creeping up as we walk through these simple questions and scenarios. Give yourself a few moments to just be with that energy. When you're ready to release it, breathe in through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Slowly take a deep breath in. Exhale out of your mouth. Bring the palms together. Create a little heat and warmth. Place those hands over your eyes. Allow that energy and warmth to seep into your eye sockets. And as you exhale, release the hands to your knees. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me here, and I will see you on tomorrow.